The U-Paintless Dent Repair Kit is money well spent, especially when it does the job that I know for sure I would have spent more if I had gone somewhere else. I had this dent on the car for the last 4 years as a result of street parking, and just recently while searching Amazon I found this item. I have been contemplating to bring it to a body shop, but I didn't want to spend much money. Man, I'm glad I got this. I submitted a before and after pictures that will speak for itself, and as for me, I will say highly recommended. Product worked great. It took me at least 15 applications and 5 hours, but got nearly all of the dent out of my 2-week-old vehicle. Well worth the price, and dent no longer noticeable. First thing I saw every day was the quarter-sized dent that was left on my vehicle after a trip to the grocery store. So I had a dent removal place quote me $600 for 4 dents. Quarter to golf ball size. I said I'll roll the dice on this. See what happens. Took 3 dents out of my Raptor, 1 out of the Escalade. No jokes. This thing works. To get the glue off, I soaked it in rubbing alcohol when it's stuck on the car, then scrape. Then soak and scrape. No scratches. Heat the glue stick. Put it in the tab quickly on the car, let it sit 2-3 minutes. Put the clap tool. Twist it so it's super tight and close the grips. Might have to do it 2-3 times, but it works. My truck got hit in the parking lot and it leaves a big dent on my passenger side. This product helps a lot, and it saved me a lot of money fixing my truck. Let me start by saying that the shipping was super fast. Ordered it on Friday and I received IYT on Sunday. It arrived in a compact box. The set includes everything you need for such a project. The instructions are simple and easy to follow. I was able to even out a few minor dents on the top of my car. Definitely recommend this product. Will update review once I use it for larger debts or projects.